All right, my bountiful beauties, we are back into another makeup tutorial today. If you guys haven't clicked on one of my videos yet, I am Michaella Shanti. Welcome to my channel. Okay, welcome to the little beauty tribe. We're about to get into this tie-dye makeup tutorial today. If you guys like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are liking my videos so you guys can get notifications when my next video is coming out. Okay, and let's get into how you can get this tie-dye makeup look today. Okay.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I'm stressed.
All right, my beauties, welcome back into another makeup tutorial today. I'm so excited for you guys to join me. So I'm popping on some white liner onto my eyelids so I can get these pigments to pop first before I put them down. So I'm using that pink shade off that NYX palette, and we're popping that onto where we just put our white liner so we can have these pigments pop and be very vibrant.
And I wanna stay with you.
And you're just gonna keep popping those on your lid, you know, building up those colors until it's to your desired like. So I really was trying to get these pigments to pop, so that's why I was using this white liner and everything. And then I'm doing kind of like a rainbow, you know, not effect, but like a rainbow transition. So that's the way we're going, like how you'd think of a rainbow. And then we're taking that purple shade and we're popping that on as well where we put our white liner. And each time, you guys, I'm just popping on this white liner before I put on the pigment so they can stick a little bit more to that white liner pencil, and it won't be shifty or moving, or you'll have a bunch of fallout, so it's at least sticking to this liner. And then I'm also going into that beautiful blue shade in the NYX palette, and we're popping that on closer to the outer eye. And kind of like you guys see that little rainbow effect that you guys are seeing come to life.
Now what you wanna do?
And we're just gonna keep packing those pigments on.
You'll go with me all the way. Every night.
And also, you guys comment down below on what your favorite go-to eyeshadow is, or what colors you guys have that are very vibrant, or maybe a little single color, or any eyeshadow palettes that you guys love or is your go-to down in the comments below, okay?
So are you gonna love me?
And now I'm just popping that orange onto my middle center of my eye. And then I'm also putting it on this outer part as well. So I'm lining it, and so now we're swooping it the opposite way. So I can kind of get that little blended tie-dye transition effect going on. And we're just popping on that orange until we get our desired little vibrancy. And then also I'm taking that white pencil again. And then I'm going into that yellow shade in the Zulu palette. And we are popping that on to where we just put our white liner so we can get these pigments to pop and grow. And then we're going back in with our Off the Tropic palette, and we're using that green shade. And I already lined it and everything, so we're about to put that on where we just put our white liner. And really, you guys, it's just about playing, you know, like music is just like experiencing stuff that you guys want to do, or something that you want. Like, it's all about like just trying something new maybe, or doing anything that you like or you love, because you'll find maybe something that you really like, and maybe it's your go-to, or maybe you're like, dang, I really did good on this look, you know. So it's always good to try new stuff with makeup or anything like that, you guys. So don't be afraid to try, just give it a go, okay? And then also I'm just blending up these colors all together and just fixing it up a little bit. And then I did apply my eyelashes off camera. These are, if you guys wanted to know, this is by the Kiss, the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and those are in Brassiere. And then I'm taking my CoverGirl Queen Collection, I think it's Rich Sand, the color is, and I'm popping that onto my face for my foundation. And then I'm also mixing it with my Milani 2-in-1 foundation because I'm running out of it because I love it so much. I gotta buy another one, you guys, but it's literally almost gone. So I'm popping those two things together so we can get my little perfect foundation shade. And I'm just blending that all out so we can get, you know, that full coverage. So, you know, we ain't got no extras. And I also was breaking out a little bit, you guys. I had a couple pimples that, you know, just wanted to take over the crowd, take over the show. So we had to cover them up a little bit with my little correcting kit. I just used like a green base, so it helps conceal the redness a little more. And you know, you guys, I have to go in with my Master Conceal by Face Studio. And we're about to conceal it up. This is literally like my favorite go-to concealer, you guys. Drugstore, not too expensive, and it does the job very well.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. They see you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down.
And then I'm just blending all of that out.
Around for you. I won't stop. No.
And also comment down below what your guys' favorite go-to concealer is. I know a lot of people like that roll-on one by Maybelline. It's like a little puff ball and you roll it on. I used to use that one too, like a long time ago, but that one's a really good concealer as well too. But comment down below on what your guys' favorite concealer is down below in the comments, okay?
Finish. No time to play, got book dates.
And then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Baking Powder. And we're about to pop that on where we just put our concealer, so I can get it all set and prepped up for this contour. And you guys, comment down below also as well if you're not only getting some tie-dye vibes, but you guys are getting some extraterrestrial vibes, because I'm getting like some alien vibes off of this look as well. Or what kind of vibes are you guys getting off of this look?
I won't stop.
And then I'm going with my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer and Bronze Babe. And we're about to get it sculpted up, okay? And you guys, like, makeup is all about, like I was saying, experimenting and trying out new things. Like, it is it's a growing process, you know. You guys, maybe you won't get it on the first try or the second try, you know, but if you guys keep practicing, you know, keep doing your thing, like, you're gonna do amazing. You're gonna do awesome. Like, this look, you guys, took me 3 times, you know. Maybe nobody shows, you know, the stuff that takes them forever, but it took me forever to get this look at least decently how I wanted it to look. And this was my 3rd time doing it. So, you know, you guys, practice makes perfect. So you guys got it, okay? So don't be afraid to try it, or just, you know, go in for it. At least, you know, if you made the effort, you know, at least you guys tried, you know what I mean? So you guys are amazing, my beauties. You guys can do anything that you set your mind to. Just to let you know, if nobody told you that today, okay? And then we're going in with our Saharan Blush Volume 2. And we're going in with that Sola blush. And I'm just popping on where I put my little contour, so we can get a little redness blush to the cheeks. And then I'm going with my Master Strobing Liquid by Face Studio in medium to nude glow. And you guys can also find this at the drugstore. It's a very affordable highlight, and it does the job. Even if you want to look natural or if you want to go out for the night, this is like the go-to highlighter right here. Come on, Maybelline, I'm representing you guys. Like, come show up, okay? Like, really, all these Maybelline stuff, I'd be representing you guys. They literally need to give me a call and be like, hey, you want to do something? Like, for real. But you guys, I really like Maybelline, if you guys can't tell.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the
And then I'm putting that on. And then also I'm putting my bottom. I always usually leave it for the end. So I'm taking my orange that I used earlier in the Zulu palette. And then I'm taking that pink as well. And putting that under my eye in the middle area.
make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the basement.
And then I'm also taking that yellow from the Zulu palette and I'm popping that on my inner corner.
It's a flex. Not human, I ain't from.
And this is the finished look of these eyes, beauties. And then now we're about to get into lips. So I'm just using a regular black liner pencil, you guys. And we're just lining the lips, usually how I do it, the little lines, so you know your lips can look more plump and juicy. And we're about to just do that.
Pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up.
And then I'm going in with this Ardell metallic lip gloss. I really been digging it. I tried it out some few days ago and I've been loving it ever since I got it. I'm usually not one for lip gloss, but this metallic is very beautiful. You guys can find this at Sally's Beauty, or I'm not sure, maybe even Walmart or CVS, Walgreens. But it's very pigmented and it's very beautiful. And then also I'm also lining my waterline with that white liner pencil. And then we're going in with that Illegal Length mascara, and we're gonna put a little bit of mascara on those bottom lashes because we can't leave them barren.
No, yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest.
And you guys, these eyes are looking beautiful, extraterrestrial, some tie-dye, and we're about to set it all together because we do not want this to move, okay?
You hurt you, babe. Oh no.
And you know, we gotta set that face.
If you decide to leave, you
And this is the completed look, you guys.
maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now. Yeah.
All right, my beautiful boos, this is the completed look of this tie-dye makeup tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And comment down below on other looks you guys want to see from me. And I love you, beauties, and I will see you guys on my next video, okay? I love you. Bye.
Give